What's up folks, welcome back to the garage. In this video I will show you how I changed the parking light bulb into this my Volvo XC70. It's a perfect time to hit the like button, thank you very much. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do it right away. And also remember to ring the bell. As you can see, I have a lot of project cars in my garage and I have done a lot of videos about them. So please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, now it's a perfect time to do that. And also remember to ring the bell, then you get notified when the new video comes out. Thanks for watching and see you soon!